So today we are here on site in Hatfield. We are going to be showing you how to do a practical solar installation.
Book a free consultation today from Energy Expert. Maxutra reliable energy solution.
So what we are going to start with, we obviously do site assessment, and then we see the elevations, which side is best to elevate our panels, what inclination is the roof. So here, basically what we have here is, we've got two choices. When we see that the elevation is not exactly facing north, then on the design you can oversize a bit to compensate for that. So it will be a cost comparison of a freestanding stand where you put a stand to exactly focus your panels to the north, or you compare with the cost of adding extra solar panels to compensate for the irradiance that you would have lost because of a shift in the azimuth of your solar panels. So basically here what we have is, we did not have any elevation that is exactly facing north. So our panels are going to be facing slightly northeast and slightly northwest. We are going to balance them, and we are going to go through separate charge controllers. Sorry about the noise. The guys are doing something. So what we have here, we have got a we are going to have an array of 14 by 330 solar panels to go through a focus 5 kVA inverter. It's a very nice, intelligent inverter which can do net metering. What I mean by that is you have got an option to store the power into the grid, like what was recently launched here in Zimbabwe. Clients are encouraged to do net metering, to store power in the grid. The advantage of that is you would have avoided the cost of storage, because storage is the most expensive part of the solar system. So by storing in the grid, you would have managed your energy, you save on the bill, and you also save on the cost of the batteries. However, where the reliability issues are of concern, you obviously need the batteries, because when you now do net metering, when there is no grid power, there is no solar system. So obviously, this massive one, obviously you need the batteries. So here today we are going to be installing two recently launched Aqua Invincible lithium ion batteries. We'll be showing you as we go through the installation processes. But just to start with, we are using state-of-the-art mounting system. As you can see, this is world standard aluminium rail kit, the advantage of this is that it elevates the solar panels, so that they are off the tiles, so that there is aeration below and above the solar cells, because we know that in as much as the current can increase with the increase in temperature, the voltage actually drops. So the net effect of that is that the power output reduces with the increase in temperature. What is noted at the back of the nameplate of the solar panel is the temperature coefficient voltage temperature coefficient and current temperature coefficient. Okay, so this is the aluminum rail kit. The advantage obviously is it raises the solar panels. It raises the solar panels from the tiles, so that the air goes at least below the panels and above to cool our solar cells. The other nice thing about the aluminum rails is they do not rust. So obviously it's you put and it lasts for as long as we want without any rusting and things like that. The other advantage is it's aluminum doesn't present a lot of weight to the roof. It's light. It's not going to present a lot of load to our roof. Okay, so this is our battery pack, the Acco Invincible 3. This battery is wall mount, so it has got brackets. So we're now opening our inverter. As usual, we are opening it to check the integrity. We want to check if everything was pegged according to the manual checklist. So this is our manual and the data cables, the comms cables. So right, this is our Focus hybrid inverter with its pegged accessories. You can see that everything was designed to match everything on the Invincible was designed to match the inverter starting from the color itself. Right, this is nice. This is nice. I've also put my helmet to match the inverter and the batteries. Acco Invincible batteries and 5 kVA Focus inverter. This is a hybrid inverter. This is a very good inverter. This is a very good battery. As you can see, this is new technology. This is the newest technology in town. Yeah, done at international standard. Basically, for this particular battery and inverter pair, everything is integrated. So it's just it's like a plug and play. You know, you just connect and everything. The settings on the batteries, settings on the inverters, they are just matching because it was done specifically to match the Focus inverter. Okay, so there you have it. This is our system. As you can see, our 2 battery banks, our inverter, our protection isolators, our automatic voltage switcher, our battery to inverter isolator. Yeah, this is it. There you have it. It's gonna be boom. No more load shedding. Okay, so here we are here now. The system is there and we have just commissioned it. You can see here that the green light here, it means that the 2 batteries are full. They've been charging the whole day, and for a full day today we commissioned the system, we tested it, and you can see that they are actually using solar exclusive. There is no sensor. Right now, as we speak, everything is being powered from the batteries. It's a bit late, so the MPPT is not getting sufficient power to charge the batteries. So you can see from this LED that the power is coming exclusive from the batteries, and the blinking light is showing that the inverting function is on. Yeah, so that's the system. The system is automatic, it runs itself. No human intervention is required, but of course we encourage all our clients, we encourage them to check the system, to operate the system, like checking any indicators, any alarms, so that any abnormal situation is picked at its early stage to avoid damage to our system. Of course, we have put protective measures, this is an AVS, to cater for the surge voltages that are coming from the mains electricity. If there is any voltage fluctuations, the AVS will block that voltage from getting to the inverter. And here, this is the solar array breaker. If there is anything, this should trip, and inside there is also an SPD device, which if there is a surge emanating or coming from the solar panels, especially in the rain season, this should earth or direct that surge to the earth. So this is a protective device with regards to surges that are coming from the panels. This is an MCB that should trip in the event that the battery tries to supply current that is more than what the inverter takes. Of course, this is over and above the protection system that is so sophisticated, that is inside the inverter. It comes with a very sophisticated protection system, right? So we expect the system to be lasting for the next 5 to 10 years. We shouldn't have any problems with this system. Thank you.